Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about how to turn off clicking sound when typing on iPhone. No technical skills required. Number 1. Open Settings. Tap the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Number 2. Navigate to Sounds and Haptics. Scroll down and select Sounds and Haptics. Number 3. Access keyboard feedback. Tap on keyboard feedback. Number 4. Turn off sound. Toggle off the sound option to disable keyboard clicks. Note: disabling keyboard sounds does not affect other system sounds or notifications. Thanks for watching.